Used to be a clock there. But been removed. No kidding, of course they would do that.